Welcome to Quick Fix Office and PC Smart Fixes Faster Work. Today we'll fix the problem where Windows 11 Update gets stuck at 99%. Step 1. Open Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot,
Screen glows soft in the quiet room.
and then Other Troubleshooters.
Chasing
Find Windows
shadows,
Update and
banishing
click
gloom.
Run.
A puzzle waits for morning light.
This
to
will
set the
automatically
future
detect and
wholly
fix
right.
common
A gentle
update
hum
issues.
beneath the fan, unraveling the master plan. We seek the answers strong and true, a clear pathway shining through. Hoping every line we trace, finding calm in this digital space. The knowledge shared will guide our way towards a brighter
Step
working
2.
day.
Clear the update cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type these commands one by one.
Unfolding truths across the land. Logic guides us firm and deep. The promises
netstop
that systems
wuauserv.
keep. No hidden error can remain. We rise above the digital rain. We seek the answers strong and true, a clear pathway shining through. Hoping every line we trace, finding calm in this digital space.
netstop
The knowledge
bits.
shared will guide our way towards a brighter working day.
Del
Beyond the
percent
glitch, beyond the
systemroot
screen.
percent software
A brand new
distribution
working dream, the future
DataStore
brighter, fresh start
asterisk
now.
asterisk
Understanding, showing
SQ
how empowered minds
net
begin
start
to shine. A perfect
wuauserv.
vision now is thine. We seek the answers strong and true, a clear pathway shining
Net
through.
start
Open every
bits.
line we trace, finding calm in this digital space. The knowledge shared will guide our way towards a brighter working day. We seek the answers strong and true, a clear pathway shining.
Step 3. Restart your PC. This forces Windows to rebuild the update cache and complete the installation. Optional tip. You can prevent this issue by cleaning temporary update files every month using disk cleanup.
Screen glows soft in the quiet room. Chasing shadows, banishing gloom. A puzzle waits for morning light to set the future wholly right. A gentle hum beneath the fan, unraveling the master plan. We seek the answers strong and true, a clear pathway shining through. Hoping every line we trace, finding calm in this digital space. The knowledge shared will guide our way towards a brighter working day. Each quiet step, a steady hand, unfolding truths across the land. Logic guides us firm and deep.
If this helps, give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Quick Fix Office and PC Smart Fixes.
We seek
Faster
the answers
work.
strong and true, a clear pathway shining through. Hoping every line we trace, finding calm in this digital space. The knowledge shared will guide